Ever wondered how to find that elusive Pocketguard account number? It's a question that's perplexed many, but fear not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Pocketguard to uncover this hidden treasure. Pocketguard, the nifty little app that helps you save money, offers a wide range of features, from budgeting to bill tracking. But sometimes, you might need your account number, perhaps for reference or to share with a financial advisor. While it's not immediately obvious, there's a straightforward way to find it. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Pocketguard account. Open the Pocketguard app on your smartphone or tablet. Enter your login credentials and tap Login. Navigate to your profile. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the screen. This will typically take you to your profile settings or account information page. Locate your account number. On your profile page, look for a section labeled Account Information or something similar. Within this section, you should find your unique Pocketguard account number. It's usually a string of numbers that identifies your account. Tips and tricks. Screen recording. If you're having trouble finding the exact location of your account number, consider using your device's screen recording feature to capture the process. You can then review the recording to pinpoint the information. Contact Pocketguard support. As a last resort, if you're still unable to find your account number, you can reach out to Pocketguard's customer support team. They can assist you in locating the information or provide any necessary guidance. Finding your Pocketguard account number is a relatively simple process once you know where to look. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily access this important information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.